Community Television. My name is Jackie Vagnone, and I am going to be hosting the 28th annual Boston Pops concert here on Nantucket Island. Come join me at Jetty's Beach, and we are going to interview some of the locals and see what they think about the Pops. Where are we today, Tom?
We're at the Pops.
We're at
Boston
the
Pops,
Pops.
the 28th annual Boston Pops down at Jetty's Beach. It's awesome.
Yes, it
Perfect
is.
weather, perfect day.
weather.
Going to be a perfect night. Drones, fireworks show, the whole deal.
Now,
Can't wait.
are you excited for the Bruce Springsteen cover band?
Yes, love Bruce Springsteen. One of my first concerts I ever went to was Bruce Springsteen back in D.C., Washington, D.C.
How many years have you been coming to see the Boston Pops?
This is my first time in like 7 years, actually. Yeah, I think I've been once when I was like 12.
So how excited are you for the Bruce Springsteen cover band tonight?
I'm so excited, especially because the Bruce Springsteen biopic is coming out this year. So it's like serendipity. I got my flag in my pocket. Woo, look at that. So excited. Born to run.
How many years have you guys been attending the Boston Pops?
Our son is 31.
30 years.
I'm going to say 30.
30
years. Okay,
Yeah.
well, it is the 28th year, so,
Oh, so then
28 years,
Okay,
yeah,
well, what do
almost
I know? It feels like 30.
I'm gonna say 28 years.
28 years.
This is our first one, so we're really excited.
All right.
Yep, this is our first.
It's your very first one. Okay. How excited are you guys for the Bruce Springsteen cover band tonight?
I would say very, very excited.
So excited. It's going to be awesome.
So this is our fourth time coming, but we've missed a few years. So yeah.
Started in 2014, maybe?
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
And how excited are you guys tonight for the Bruce Springsteen cover band?
Love it. We cannot wait.
Other than last year and the year it rained, I don't remember not being here for my entire life.
So you've been to almost every Boston Pops concert is what you're telling me?
Yes, of my 23 years, I would say at least 20 of them I've been to.
Is that voluntary or against your will?
At first against my will, for sure. There were a couple of years where I was way too tired and not wanting to be here and it was crowded, but now is my favorite night of the summer, without a doubt.
So is this your first ever Boston Pops concert?
Yes, it's our first ever.
Okay.
We
and-
didn't know it was going to be on, and it was a coincidence, and so we got tickets today.
Wonderful. Well, you guys lucked out because this is a fabulous scene.
It is.
Everyone here comes together. Right now, I am with
Sangeeta Tambora.
all right, Sangeeta. And what are you doing here today at the Boston Pops?
We are helping with security for the VIP tent.
All right. Awesome. And now, where did you guys come from? How was your journey?
We are off island. We come in to do security. We've been working security here for, I don't know, like 10 years. I brought a staff of 14, 15 folks that do the VIP tent. And we have other staff that is doing the entrances, the beach. So we're covering all your security needs.
Well, thank you so much for keeping us so safe. I appreciate your service.
Yeah.
Right now, I am being joined by
Michael Gormley,
of
Nantucket.
Yep. And what is it that you are doing here today at the Boston Pops concert?
Riding tricycles.
And what is it, the service that you provide?
We are providing complimentary transportation provided by Nantucket Cottage Hospital to and fro the end of the road for folks with mobility impairments and anyone else as well.
Wonderful. That is such a great service that you are offering for people. Now, how many years have you personally attended the Boston Pops concert?
The first time I attended was 3 years ago, as this was the first contract for the Tuk Tuk. So the Pops is near and dear to my heart, and it's always a blast to see the happy folks heading in and out of the event.
Joined by
Roberta White.
Roberta White. Now, Roberta, how many Boston Pops concerts would you say ballpark have you been to?
Well, having just found out there are 28 of them, I'd say probably, I don't know, maybe 23.
Wow. Okay.
The first few here on the beach, and it was not as crowded as this, and then it slowly got bigger and bigger, and then we've been going by our boat most years.
Awesome.
But tonight we decided to try the sand.
So what brings you to the Pops today?
I love good music. I love, the symphony. I saw the Pops actually a couple months ago. They did Star Wars. So the John Williams medleys. So, exactly. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. So that was incredible, and I saw the opportunity. I couldn't say no, especially with this beautiful sunset. You can't beat a night like this on the island. Yeah.
What is your favorite Bruce Springsteen song?
All right. Hungry Heart.
Hungry
yeah.
Heart.
Glory days.
Glory days. Glory days. Sorry.
All right.
Mine is Born to Run. It's on all of my running playlists.
And I like Born in the USA.
Yeah.
The hat does it in, you know.
Yeah.
Born to Run, of course.
Born to Run. I've heard a lot of that tonight.
Yeah.
All right. What is your favorite Bruce Springsteen song?
Oh, that's what's going to be playing later.
I love I'm on Fire and Secret Garden, but I have a feeling he might not play those ones. But yeah, I'm just excited.
Okay.
I don't know. You have to go with the classics. Born in the USA.
An oldie but a goodie, probably classic. Born in the USA.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love it.
Born in the USA.
Okay. That's my personal favorite too.
Right? Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Do you have a favorite Bruce Springsteen song by chance? No.
Fired Up, particularly for Born in the USA.